Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and in this video I am sharing the solved exercise of chapter 5. First we see fill in the blanks. The dash is the blank area in the left margin of a document. We have to answer selection area. Dash is a reserved place that stores the data temporarily, that is the clipboard. Making changes in a document is called editing. To print the document, first we click on the File tab, then the Print option. Fifth number, incorrectly spelled word can be seen with dash wavy line under them, that is a red wavy line. The dash option provides a list of synonyms and the antonyms. We have to answer the thesaurus. Now true false. The shortcut key to close a document is Ctrl plus C. False. The correct answer will be Ctrl plus W. In MS Word we can share document on the internet. True. The shortcut key to jump to the end of the current document is Shift plus Ctrl plus End. So it is the true. To select a sentence, hold down the Shift key and click anywhere on the sentence. False. Hold down the Control key. To select a paragraph, double click anywhere in the paragraph. That is the false. We do thrice click in the paragraph. Now match the following. Control plus A for the select all. Select the entire document. Shift plus Home. Select the text from the current position to the beginning of a line. Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus V. Cut the text and place it to the new position. Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V for the copying paste. Copies the text from one place and paste it at another place. Ctrl plus Delete. Delete one word to the right. Multiple choice question. In how many ways you can insert text in a document? There are two ways. Grammatical errors are indicated with dash. The correct answer is blue wavy line. Which among the following shortcut key is used to select one character to the right? That is Shift plus forward arrow. Which is the shortcut key for undo? The correct answer is Ctrl plus Z, and for the redo we use Ctrl plus Y. Now answer in one word or the sentence. Which shortcut key is used to check spelling and grammar in document? This is F7 function key. This is F7 function key. Which command is used to reverse the action of undo command? That is the redo, and the shortcut key you can use Ctrl plus Y. Name the mode that is used to replace the existing text in a document. That is the overtype mode. Write the shortcut key to delete one word to the left. The answer will be Ctrl plus backspace. Now answer the following questions. List any three features of the word processing software. The features of word processing software are produce letters, report notice, reports, notice, bills, etc. Insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. And the third one, copy and move the text from one location to another location. Now the second question we will see, what do you understand by the term editing? How can you insert text in a document? So making changes in a document is called editing, and there are two ways to insert the text in a document. Those are insert mode and the overtype mode. Explain the use of thesaurus option. Thesaurus helps to improve our vocabulary by providing the list of synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. Now the next, differentiate between moving and copying text. Moving the text refers to create the duplicate of the selected text, whereas moving the text refers to move the text to its original place and paste into the new location. Thank you.